Good morning, student. Today we are going to start metal and non-metal. In previous lecture, we were discussing about reactivity series. And what is a reactivity series? Metals are arranged from top to bottom in decreasing reactivity, that is called reactivity series. And in this series, you can see that top metal is potassium and at the bottom is the Au, means top one is the most reactive and the element which are placed at the bottom of the series, these are least reactive. So metals are arranged from top to bottom in decreasing order of reactivity, and this thing we have discussed in previous lecture. Now we will talk about corrosion. Actually we have discussed about corrosion in previous lecture, but I want to make you revise. So corrosion is the type of oxidation reaction, means addition of oxygen in everyday life in which open surface of metal are slowly eaten up by reaction of air, water, chemical present in the atmosphere. Means metal surface react with oxygen, water, moisture and chemical, and it become weak because of formation of metal oxide layer over the surface of metal, and this is called corrosion. And the best example of corrosion is rusting. So we will talk about rusting. Rusting, the process of formation of reddish brown substances on the surface of iron object in presence of moisture and air is called rusting. Yes, my dear student, when iron react with oxygen and moisture, it form browny red surface over the surface of metal, that is called rusting. And the formula of rust you can see here. You can see the formula of rust. When iron react with oxygen and water molecule, it form Fe2O3 and XH2O. X means variable. So this is the formula of rust. When iron react with oxygen and water moisture, it form rust. You can see the formula of rust, and you can see in figure rusting ship, machinery part, body of car. You can see that because of rusting it happens. You can see the body part of car. It happens due to rusting process. Now we will talk about condition for rusting. So already we have discussed rusting is a slow process, slow conversion of iron into hydrate oxide. Means hydrate means water, oxide means oxygen in the presence of moisture and air is called rusting. Again I want to make you revise. Iron react with oxygen and water moisture form brownish red surface over it, that is called rust. And the condition for rusting is that first, presence of moisture, means moisture is must, and second, the presence of oxygen, means these two things are important for the process of rusting. Now we will talk about prevention of rusting. First process is that painting. The layer of paint resists oxygen and water to form rust on the surface of iron, as paint prevent iron to contact them directly. The iron is protected from corrosion as long as the paint is there. Yes, my dear student, painting is the one of the best process to prevent from rusting because it detaches the connection of air and moisture to the surface of iron. You can see in figure. Now, next method for prevention of rusting is that alloy formation. What is alloy? Alloy is a mixture of two and more metals. So you can see that other strategy including iron alloying with other metals. For example, stainless steel is mostly made up of iron with a little amount of chromium. Yes, my dear student, steel is one of the best example for the alloy of iron because it contains chromium, carbon and iron which prevent from the rusting. You can see in figure, this is a alloy metal are made up of iron and other metal, and it is made because of prevention of rusting. Second method is galvanization, and galvanization is a process of applying a protective zinc coating to steel or iron to prevent rusting. The most common method is hot dip galvanization, in which the parts are submerged in a bath of molten hot zinc. Yes, my dear student, to prevent from rusting, iron thing like iron sheet is submerged into the molten zinc. So what will happen? The layer of zinc will form over the surface of iron. That's why you can see the tin sheet box, they have a shiny surface. Why? Because of layer of zinc, and zinc prevent from rusting. You can see in figure, there is a shiny surface over the iron sheet. Why? Because of zinc layer is deposited over the surface of iron, and it helps in prevention from the rusting. Next process for the prevention of rusting is that tin plating. In this process, iron sheets are dipped in molten tin to prevent them from rusting. This process is used to make cooking vessels and boxes for packing vegetables and beverages. Like I think you have seen can in which we are using cold drink. So these are made up of aluminum alloy or iron is covered with the tin. So these are the uses of tin plating. Next process is that anodizing. In this process, anodizing is an electrochemical process that converts the metal surface into decorative, means good looking surface, durable and corrosion resistant. You can see figure. Metals means iron articles are covered with the different color material which are made up of aluminum alloy and plastic, which make it beautiful, or corrosion resistant surface. You can see very clear. You can see London Bridge. These are made up of iron, but it is prevented from the rusting by the alloying, by plating. This is the image of Howrah Bridge. It is also made up of iron, but after the long years of the time, it do not get corroded. Why? Because of it is protected by the coating alloying. So my dear student, we have discussed about the corrosion and prevention of corrosion. In next lecture, we will talk about uses of some metal in our daily life. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.